In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play an MP4 video in Google Drive. Understanding how to seamlessly play your videos from Google Drive can be incredibly efficient and useful for both personal and professional tasks. So let's dive into this step-by-step guide that will make this process easy and straightforward. First, you'll need to access Google Drive on your computer or mobile device. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive website. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials and sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Google Drive dashboard, which displays all your stored files and folders. Next, locate the MP4 video file you wish to play. This could be in your main Drive folder or within a specific folder that you've organized your files into. If you're unable to find your video immediately, use the search bar at the top of the page for a quicker search. Simply type the name of your file, and it should pop up in the results list. Once you have located your MP4 file, simply double-click on it. This action will open the file in a preview window within Google Drive itself. Here, you will encounter the media player interface that allows you to watch your video. You'll notice basic player controls at the bottom, including play, pause, forward, and rewind options, quite similar to other media players you may be familiar with. If you're experiencing any trouble with the video not playing correctly, ensure that your internet connection is stable, as a slow connection can affect playback. Additionally, if you're having problems with the video format, remember that Google Drive supports the MP4 format natively, so it should play without issues. In case you need to make adjustments, such as the video quality or volume, there are settings available within the player. You can click on the settings icon to modify these playback preferences according to your needs. Furthermore, if you'd like to watch the video in a larger view, simply click the full screen icon for an immersive viewing experience. For those who prefer to watch offline, consider downloading the file directly to your device. To do this, simply right-click on the file in Google Drive and select the download option from the drop-down menu. Once downloaded, you can play the video using any compatible media player installed on your device. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to easily and effectively play MP4 videos directly within Google Drive. Thank you for joining today's guide on this essential Google Drive feature. Happy viewing, and if you found this tutorial